Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to connect to an EC2 instance to an S3 bucket using IAM role securely without using any access keys. And also we will create a file inside the EC2 instance and will upload it directly to the S3 bucket using AWS CLI. Okay, I will show you the step-by-step process. Firstly, here IAM roles are nothing but to grant specific permissions to the users or groups or applications or any AWS services. Here, the mainly roles provide temporary credentials that are used to make API requests or access resources. Okay. As I said before, we will create one file inside the EC2 instance and will upload it directly to the S3 bucket using AWS CLI. So let's try to understand why we need to connect EC2 instance to Amazon S3. Okay. So there are various advantages here. First one is unlimited storage, and next one is it is a cheaper storage, and we do have backup and recovery option also, and it is a centralized file sharing. Like that, we do have many options. Okay. Here first of all, I am creating one bucket with all the default settings. Okay, just give the name and create bucket. Navigate to the IAM dashboard. Okay, just try to create IAM role for EC2 instance. Okay, on the left hand side we can see roles, right? Just click on that, create role. Okay, just select as AWS service. We are selecting here EC2. Just click on next. Okay, select the policy whatever you want to give to that according to the requirement. I am giving here S3 full access. Okay, just click on next and give the role name. Okay, so here I am giving EC2. Okay, S3 access. It is showing that allows EC2 instance to call AWS services on your behalf. Okay, this is the JSON format. Okay, just to create a role. Now we are going to launch EC2 instance with the IAM role whatever we have created now. Okay, go to the EC2 and launch one EC2 instance. Okay, just click on launch instance and give the name here. I am naming as EC2 S3 server. Select AMI and here instance type you can select anything. Here I am choosing the key pair. If you have any existing key you can select that, or else you can create new one. Okay, I am selecting security group by default one. Scroll down to advanced details. Under IAM instance profile you can select EC2 S3 role whatever we have created. Okay, just go there, find instance profile and select the role whatever we have created. Okay, just leave rest all as default and launch instance. Now this EC2 instance has IAM role based S3 access, so we haven't used any access keys here. Okay, now we will try to connect with AWSIAM using this instance public IP address. Okay, just to copy remote host EC2 public IP. Okay, paste it here and specify the username EC2 user. Okay, go to the advanced settings. Now upload a PEM file from your local computer. Okay, now we are inside EC2 terminal via AWSIAM. Okay, you can find it here. This is the public IP address. Okay, so now we will try to create a file on EC2 instance. We will upload it to the S3 bucket. Okay, we will list the AWS bucket here by using of AWS S3 LS. Okay, you can see the timestamp when we have created, and we can see the bucket name also, right? Yeah. Let's go to S3 and open this bucket, and we don't have any objects inside this bucket as of now. So we'll try to create one object and we'll upload it via AWS CLI. Okay, so let's go. Okay, echo this file is created on EC2 and upload to S3 bucket. Okay, I'm just creating an object, my data.txt. Okay, if you want to see this data, give cat file name. Okay, we can able to see the data, right? Whatever we have created inside that file. So we need to upload this file to S3 via AWS CLI. So I will use the command as AWS S3 cp my file name, okay, and S3, give the target, okay, target S3 bucket path where the file will be uploaded. See, we are successfully able to upload it to the S3 bucket, okay, by using of this command. cp is nothing but copy. Okay, now once go to that S3 bucket and check that the object is existed or not. Okay, here we can able to see the object whatever we have created via AWS CLI. So here IAM roles provide temporary and secure access without exposing permanent access keys. Okay, this is the recommended method for all EC2 to S3 communication. So that's all how we can securely connect EC2 to S3 using an IAM role. And upload a file via AWS CLI. Okay, so once we have created any resources, please try to delete like IAM role or users or EC2 instance, all. Okay, if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.